Hey boys and girls, today it's me, your favorite boy, Dragon. I made my first intro here in my first video. As y'all know, I put other intros, I didn't know how to do it. But I'm on your den, I'm on your den. Okay, I'm on your den. I'm gonna say, hi, I'm going to offer him, I was planning to offer him this. Hey, I offer 8 short wrists for your blue long. Well, boys and girls, yeah, you did. Boy, draw me fan art. I'm going to say, draw me fan art. I don't get it, but I'll just say this. Draw me fan art. Okay, I'm literally not sure what to do. Let's just abandon the seagull and just walk around. Bois, answer my call. I not get this, boys and girls. I'm gonna say trade attempts for red long. Trade attempts for red long. Boys and girls, this is going to be a super hard trade here. Hopefully this jam will just trade me fairly. As y'all know, your boy here needs to get fair trades. I want to get that. I'm such a potato. So I don't have spikes. I'm a potato. Okay, boy, I wanted your whole art. No, thank you. That's a under trade. Very big under trade here. I think he has the beta hood, but boys and girls, just to make you sure, I not have the beta hood. Yes, I got to say properly. How about just killing this guy? I'm offering him my fake tiki. Guys, if you can give me any gifts, I'll be glad. I'm very popular and I'm planning to make a live video sooner or later, probably today. So, yeah. Okay, boys and girls, you're probably very confused, so I'll just trade you both my fake stuff. You'll better accept it, boy. Your boy here is getting a bit dark hair. Okay, it's now slide up, and he declines. His choice, of course. Well, if he accepts, I'll decline. Guess why? I do not scam jammers. I'm a jammer, not a scammer. Well, who sent me mail? Better. My offer blue long and wrist long for a red long. Well, I'm gonna ask him for add a little. I don't like your offer that much. Should I be not for blue long and light pink one? Pink longs. Oh my god! I'm gonna come here and buddy her. I am recording too. I'm recording. As y'all know, you can hear me clicking the sword. Lol. Well, this jam I accept. I'm very unpopular. I'm just gonna go ask her. According to. Lol, I am Dragoon Agent. Animal Jam. I am Dragoon Animal Jam. Well, boys and girls, I'm just gonna say sub and like and notify. Yes, guys, boys and girls, I don't know how to say this, but this was a long video, 5 minutes straight, very long, because I'm a bit bored here. You can come to my den, we can have a feast. Every fan, come here to my den, and bye.